Forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. Again.
Hill says, "Hello, Moon. How are you?" Sky talks big talk, but no walk the walk. For centuries, nature has been studied by great man, and for centuries, man has failed to understand the actual truth behind nature.
And we children are born of sin. We are born of sin, and this is why we must let the light of God, the light of God into our hearts, children. We are all children of God, but lo, we are sinners. We are sinners. We must let the light and the warmth and the love of God, the eternal love of God, into our hearts, or we will burn in hell, burn in eternal damnation for us.
An average human man, 7'2" in height, approximately 405 pounds, walks in nature with only one purpose: life.
What are you talking about? William Hurt's the best actor ever.
No, but then he makes that horrible music, and then he was like, History of Violence. I love Cronenberg, but then you get William Hurt in there. And
what about Body Heat?
Body Heat?
That movie was the best movie ever. He got an Academy Award for that one.
Kathleen Turner, made that movie.
She has hot tits, I know that. But William Hurt, he's got a hot ass. They even show his penis in that movie.
Whenever we get to William Hurt scenes, I fast forward through it.
What about his penis scene?
No.
What, you didn't like it?
No.
You like seeing this big old schlong? William Hurt. Biggest schlong in the world.
I understand how much you like him, but I just...
God, he has the biggest schlong in the world. Like, William Hurt.
The only thing he hurts is my eyes when I see him on camera. I'm sorry.
Well, how about you take a shot of this? William Hurt faggot fan. No?
Is that vodka?
Yeah. Don't be a pussy. Fucking you won't even drink a little vodka, huh? You hate William Hurt, but you won't even fucking drink any vodka.
Track number 2, 1.54 acres plus all the buildings. Hey, all right, what do you want to get aboard? Start me, let's go. Start me, what do you want to give? Turn down all the wheels. Turn down all the wheels, and tail around 2. 40, down 5. 40 down all the wheels. 40 down. What are you, dumb? Track first, track number 2, 1.54 acres plus all the buildings. Hey, all right, what do you want to get aboard? Start me, let's go. Start me, what do you want to give? Turn down all the wheels. Turn down all the wheels, and tail around
2. The male species fights for its food. Stand and deliver. The nature has you.
The nature has you. The nature was invented in the year 1899 by a cosmic scientist. The nature has you.
Slightly skewed. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Nature in the wild today. Nature in the wild today. Nature in the world
we got lighters. This right here is looking like
Donkey's shuffling his Jesus power.
Okay, William Hurt's top 25 movies. He made another movie, The Big Brass Ring.
Yeah, who heard of that one?
And then again, the next one, he made the movie Sunshine. Well, so far I see that all his movies really suck, so I think I don't like fucking William Hurt anymore.
No, don't go that way.
God damn it, my producer told me the cops are coming, and I have to snort this line of coke first.
That's Jesus Coke, baby. That's Jesus Coke.
That was some good Jesus. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot. That smells. Producer?
Yeah,
Alright. Before we get back to the list, we're going to do a little concoction that I was making earlier. Mix that up. That's tequila and stuff. It's pretty good. And vodka. Alright. Charlie Wilson's War. He wasn't in that movie. He should have been though, because fucking...
He was in it, so that's his list.
Well, whatever. Tom Hanks stole that movie.
Stole
He stole it.
the show.
Stole the show in that movie. Tom Hanks. Back to William Hurt. Oh, here I got number 29. AI.
Oof, that was horrible.
That was with that fucking gay little kid. I don't remember his name. He was in a couple.
Haley Joel Osment.
He was in a couple other movies. Haley Gay Osmond, I think his name was. Boy, that was big balls. But by the way, I do love William Hurt.
In the world, to do, nature, in the world, to die.